guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a 2-in-1 video featuring my fiance, so don't forget to subscribe. There's going to be new videos every single Monday. Half of this video is going to be voiceover and the other half is going to be in the video. Alright guys, so we are going to tie our hair up because there's going to be a lot going on the face. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it all out. Please excuse my voice, I am a little sick. I'm going to pick up my Laura Mercier translucent powder and swipe that all over my lid for a smooth finish. Now I'm going to pick up my handy dandy Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to go into my E27 and pick up this shade right here. It's a perfect transition shade. I'm going to pop that right on the crease. Then I'm going to go into this shade right here and deepen up the look a little bit. Since I am Red Riding Hood, I want to incorporate reds and oranges. And then I'm going to go into this shade right here and deepen up the crease. It gives it a real nice red look. I'm going to go ahead and blend that all out just so we don't have any harsh lines. Then I'm going to go into this shade right here, pop that on the outer corner, and then I'm going to gradually blend it into the crease. Super soft hand because this is a very pigmented shade. Blend, blend, blend. And then I'm going to go into my Kris Jenner palette by Kylie Cosmetics and pop that shade right on my lid. And then I'm going to blend everything so I don't have any excess shadow. And then I'm going to go into this black and pop that right on the outer corner and make it a little bit smoky. Now I'm going to go into an angled brush and use the shadow like a liner. I'm going to pop on some mascara, Lily Lashes in the style Doha, and I'll be right back. I went ahead and finished my entire look and I popped on some highlighter on my nose and my brow bone, so let's go ahead and finish up this look. I'm going to go into these two shades right here with a pencil brush, smudge that right underneath my lower lash line, and connect what we have going on top. Then I'm going to go into this black shade with my angled brush and connect the black on top to the bottom. I'm going to blend that out so we don't have any harsh lines. Then I'm going to go into my Tarte clay liner and pop that right on the waterline and our tight line. I'm going to add some mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I'm going to pick up my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Of course, you know, we got to pop some highlighter on the inner corner. Ooh, this look is almost finished. Now, time for the fun part. So I'm going to outline where I want my scars to be. I have never worked with any scar wax or any blood, anything graphic like that. So this is the first time I've ever done it and I thought it would be so fun to show you guys. I'm going to roll up the clay liner and I noticed that once you have it in your hands for a little too long, it starts to get super gooey. Go ahead and get a spatula and smooth out the edges so it sticks onto your face. You could pick up a toothpick. I had a sharp end of the spatula. I'm going to go ahead and slit that right down the middle. And then I'm going to go into the next one, make it a little bit longer than the bottom, smooth out the edges, and then split it down the middle. Now that I have all the scars done, girl, it was so hard with these nails because it got so tacky. I'm going to pick up my Body Scab Blood. I use an angled brush to apply the blood. And I also forgot to add some foundation on the scar. Even though it was pretty close to my skin color, I just wanted to make it identical. I'm gonna go back into the blood and add some into the wound. You're gonna see me go back and forth. I added like maybe 4 layers of the blood because I wanted it to be super deep and real looking. Now that we're done with the scratches, I'm going to go ahead and pick up my Boldly Bare lip liner and apply that on my lips. And then I'm going to pick up my NYX Natural Liner and apply that all over. And then I'm going to top it off with my Tarte Limited Edition Gloss. And we are done with the glamorous but clawed Red Riding Hood. Now, time for the werewolf. Hello people, time for the wolf. Welcoming my fiance to the video. This is David. Say hello to everyone.
Hi.
First thing I'm gonna do is prime his face using the POREfessional by Benefit. Then I'm gonna pick up my face paints. These are water activated. It's Mayron and Schnazaroo. This is from the makeup store. This is from Michael's. Mix it together and make gray. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm gonna highlight his face using the white. Using a buffing brush, I'm going to blend it all out. And then I'm going to add the face paint in a triangular-ish shape, so the ends of his temples are more extended like a werewolf.
Can I drink water? Mm-hmm. Intermission, halftime.
Now I'm going to add a brown shadow to the places where it needs to be contoured. I'm gonna bring it to the temples. Now I'm going to take a flat shadow brush and add some black face paint. Which is really hard because he has facial hair, so you gotta work around it. Now I'm gonna take an angled brow brush and start feathering out hairs on that outline we made. Now I'm taking a flat shadow brush and I'm going to diffuse the black lines with black eyeshadow. Brushing up. Now I'm gonna go back into the brown shade and I'm gonna start smoking out the bottom part of where we put that black line.
Your voice cracked.
I know. I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush and just blend that out.
They're selling chocolates.
Chocolates?
What are they selling?
Selling chocolates.
What?
Now I'm going to take a white liner and start making brush-like strokes above the black ones. I'm just going to bring the arch a little bit higher so he has a really chiseled cheekbone. I'm just super lightly taking brown and black shadow, mixing them together and filling in his brows. Now I'm going to do the same thing with his eyebrow. Now I'm going to take the white liner and do the same thing. Now I'm going to prime his eyelids using MAC Soft Ochre. Now I'm going to take these two brown shades and add it to his lid.
Can I go home and bark at my neighbors looking like this?
I'm going to apply some underneath the eye as well. Like, look up. Oh my god!
Bro!
You can do it. I believe in you. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the black shadow. Now I'm gonna add some down his nose, kind of like a contour.
Whoa, you're not gonna put that in my eye.
Yep.
No, you're not.
Yep.
No.
Yep. Now I'm going to take a red liner and pop it in his waterline.
What's a waterline?
6.5 hours later.
I can't do it. I resign. I can't do it. Let me mentally prepare myself.
My God.
That's sharp, man. Can you like dull it out a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Wait.
Bruh.
Stop going so fast.
Okay, look up, and now I'm gonna go in. Don't move your head. Against the head. There you go. Oh wow! You're trying hard, man.
No, man, I'm not. You poke my eye. You poke my eye. You poke my eye.
Okay. Okay. You're doing well, sweetie. We're gonna be here for a little while.
Yeah, we are. I didn't know about this part.
Eventually.
I can't even put eye drops in my eye. My mom's gonna be proud of me. Back away when I close it. Okay, it gets scared. Your finger's in my eye. Don't touch the hairs. Don't touch the hairs.
You're the worst client I've ever had, ever.
I was quiet until you put something in my eye.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how SpongeBob's party is shaping up.
Oh! He moved his eye so much it turned red. I don't even need this liner.
Oh, it fell on me. What the?
A girl is sweating, okay? Now I'm gonna start making those flaking motions on his forehead. Now I'm gonna make his face look angry by adding a couple features. Now I'm going to outline his nose to make it look like a werewolf. Sick! What? Now I'm going to add some bloody blood.
Sick!
Red Riding Hood has met her match. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. We out here. Peace. Woo, that was good.